What's going on, guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for today we are going to review Otter AI, an AI powered transcription service that has been making waves in the industry. It offers a range of features including live transcription, live editing, and seamless integration with various platforms like Zoom. It is known for its excellent mobile apps and detailed privacy policy. Now let's dive into some of its key features. Otter AI provides excellent audio transcriptions, helping users assess their messages and providing accurate spacing in the transcript. It offers good support for calendar integrations and easy integration with various platforms such as Zoom, allowing users to be more present-minded at meetings. Otter AI can recognize and learn custom vocabulary, including names, jargon, and acronyms, improving transcription accuracy. It has a detailed privacy policy. It uses AWS S3 storage with server-side encryption and allows users to delete their data at any time. It also offers multi-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. Otter AI is easy to use across devices with a clean, professional, and modern interface on its mobile and web apps. It also supports translation in 42 languages, making it more budget-friendly than other solutions. But on the other hand, it doesn't remove filler words like and is less accurate in punctuation compared to other transcription services. It struggles to differentiate between different speakers and has trouble understanding different accents, resulting in more errors than usual. It may not be 100% accurate in transcribing all spoken words, especially if the audio quality is poor or there are background noises. In conclusion, Otter AI is a top-notch transcription service with its accurate transcriptions, seamless integration, and strong privacy and security measures. However, it does have some limitations, such as punctuation accuracy and speaker recognition. Overall, it's a great tool for anyone in need of reliable and affordable transcription services. So there we have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.